it's MJ, your pantry bestie and professional dinner prep escape artist. Today we're doing a little breakfast science experiment, muffin edition. So I made a big batch of 12 muffins and stuck them all in individual baggies, one for each day. Every morning this week, I'm checking one muffin. Day 1, soft, fresh, perfect. 2, delicious. 3, still delicious. 4, still delicious. 5, slightly drier but still delicious. 6, yummy. 7, oddly still yummy. 8, a little drier but still breakfast worthy. 9, good. Day 10, still good. 11, still decent. And by day 12, slightly dried out but still delicious. So what's the verdict? If you want a full week of ready to go muffins, make my muffin recipe using powdered eggs instead of fresh store-bought eggs, and seal them in individual bags, and you can have almost 2 weeks of breakfast ready to go. Loadedpotato.org isn't just dinner hacks, it's breakfast sanity too.